Hey guys, what's going on? I'm going to show you what I discovered on this 2013 Dodge Avenger. It came in, the guy was complaining about intermittent electrical problems. When I checked it out, it was very slow to start. It cranked slowly and eventually it fired up. So of course when I pull it in, the first thing I check out is the battery. And so I glanced down in here and saw what looked like to me to be a brand new battery. Threw my battery tester on here. So this is an indication of the alternator voltage at this point. So I came in here, turned the headlights on, high beams on. The alternator seemed good. I noticed the headlights were dimming, and as I sat here and monitored the alternator voltage, it started fluctuating. It was going all the way down to 11 volts, coming right back up very rapidly. And what I found is there's actually a bad connection at the battery. So I'm not sure how much of this you can see. Someone put the universal terminal on here, and you can see the copper piece is actually broken. You see how it's loose? So if I wiggle this around, you can see the alternator voltage starts dancing around. Not so severe. Oh yeah, and you see the headlights dimming? So normally when an alternator fails, it fails consistently. You won't see weird things where lights are dimming and coming back. So if you see anything like that, it generally indicates a problem with the ground or a bad connection at the battery. And I found this to be true with motorcycles as well. My KLR had an issue where it was idling weird. And as I was driving it, I guess it was jiggling the loose connection around, and it would just make it behave oddly. And the headlights were dimming and coming back bright, much like this one. So the solution for me here, you know, I could go down in here and tighten it up temporarily. But what I'd really like to do is replace the entire cable, just because of how broken and frayed it is. You see that broken piece there on the side? So all of the juice is flowing through that little section right there. And when I feel that, it's real hot. So there's a lot of resistance in that circuit. So we're gonna get a new cable. It's the negative cable. It goes from right here and it routes right up to this little junction point right there. Should be easy to do.